It moves without limbs. It hunts without hands. The snake is one of nature's most perfect predators. But it wasn't always this way. Millions of years ago, the ancestors of every snake on Earth had legs. This is the story of how they lost them. Over 100 million years ago, the world belonged to reptiles. Among them crawled the lizards, four-legged, fast, and thriving. But some of these lizards began to change. They started living in tight, hidden places, burrows beneath the soil, cracks between the rocks. And down there, in the dark, their legs became a problem. We know this because evolution left us proof, frozen in stone. Meet Najash, a creature that lived 95 million years ago. It had the long body of a snake, but it still walked on two small hind legs. It was neither fully lizard nor fully snake. It was something in between. Others, like Pachyrhachis, still carried tiny, shrinking legs, smaller with every passing generation. Generation after generation, the legs grew smaller, the body grew longer. Until at last the legs were gone completely. But why give up legs at all? The answer is simple. Without them, they became unstoppable. A limbless body could slide into burrows, slip through cracks, and vanish underground where no predator could follow. It could swim, climb, and strike, all with a single flowing motion. Losing their legs didn't weaken them, it set them free. And yet, the legs never truly disappeared. Hidden in their DNA, the instructions to build legs still exist, switched off, but never erased. Even today, snake embryos begin to grow tiny legs before stopping. The proof is still here, on living snakes. Look closely near the tail of a python or a boa, and you'll find them, two tiny claws, the last remnants of legs called spurs. Ancient legs still clinging on after 100 million years. Today, snakes are one of evolution's greatest triumphs, nearly 4,000 species ruling every corner of the earth. They gave up their legs, and in return, they inherited the world.